All right, here we go. We're going to do some more grafting today. So let's see how we do on our second day of grafting. Here we go. Oh, you guys already saw it. The first thing we need to do is write our name. Now I'm using my counters because I have them. If you don't have some, you could use anything just so that you can move them and see. So I have my red, so it says to put 3 red counters and 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow counters. Then right here it has the number 3 because there are 1, 2, 3 red. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. And it says circle to show which one has more counters. Well, it's 3 or 4 more. 4 is more, so they've circled the yellow counter. Remember, we needed to name our graft, and it says red and yellow counters because we're grafting our red and yellow counters. We're grafting the red, we're grafting the yellow. And the squares, represent how many. Okay? And I just like being able to move my counters, which is why I like to have something to put over what the picture shows, because there's not always pictures in our books. All right. Now, we're still counting colors. We're counting yellow and we're counting red. I like to take my counters and cover up the picture already there so that my counters match my graft. Let's see if it even shows up. Does yellow show up? Oh, it does. And I'm going to use orange for red. All right. Let's count how many yellow there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write the number 5. Let's count our red now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. 5 yellow, 4 red. It wants me to circle the counters that has more on the graft. So we're going to circle the one that has more. Are you going to circle the yellow or the red counter? Which one has more? Is there more yellow or more red? I heard a lot of you say there are more yellow, which is true. There are more yellow than red. There is one more yellow, so you should have circled the yellow counter. All right. You've got it again. Saw it place. Write your name. Cover them up with your counters. Remember, if you don't have the red and yellow counters, you could always just use coins. The little pieces of cereal you could even use. Put one kind here and one kind here if mom and dad or grandma says it's okay. All right, I'm going to put my yellow here because yellow's on the bottom this time. And red is on the top. What do we do next? We named it counting colors. We're counting red and yellow counters. We have how many red? 1, 2, 3. Where are we going to write that? Perfect, right here. You have 3 red. Count your yellow. Write how many yellow you have here. And on number 4, it wants you to circle the category that has fewer counters on the graph. So this time they want you to do fewer. Is there fewer red or fewer yellow? Another word for fewer is less. I'm going to circle the red because there's 3 to 5. 3 is less than 5. There are fewer red than yellow. All right. One more page for today. You're doing great. All right. Brian has red and blue cubes. He has more blue cubes than red cubes. You can copy mine or you can do your own. He has more blue cubes than red cubes. So I'm using the green for the blue and orange for the red. Okay, this time we can't just count them because once we take them away, we don't know. So we need to also graft. How you graft is you take your crayons. I have one red. Now I'm going to graft my blue. Now what do? You count them good. How many red do you have? How many blue do you have? I have one red. I have 3 blues. Hey, does he have more blue cubes than red cubes? He does have more blue cubes than red cubes. That is our lesson for today. Thank you for doing the math with us. We have one more in chapter 12, and then we move on to getting ready for first grade. Can't believe we're already to getting ready for first grade. You guys are moving so fast. I'm so proud of you. Bye-bye.